EB3 Employment-Based Immigration Process Steps Explainer for SeaBreezee job candidates. Disclaimer: all contents in this video are for information and education purposes only. It is not intended to substitute legal advice and attorney consulting. All information is sourced from the official USCIS website. Basic terms and conditions to understand EB3 processing steps. The U.S. employment-based green cards process can only start with a U.S. employer sponsorship. Green card processing times solely depend on the U.S. government agencies and service centers where your petition is processed at their discretion. The total processing time depends on the steps needed to comply with U.S. government agencies' regulations. Step 1. PERM, Program Electronic Review Management, Labor Certification Process with USDOL. For your sponsorship employer to hire foreign workers, employers must get a labor certificate from the Department of Labor for each identified foreign worker to verify the employer's ability to pay and offered wages to foreign workers. This PERM process may take 5 to 8 months, and some cases are selected for a random audit, which is a part of the normal PERM process to give labor certification. Step 2. Form I-140 Immigration Petition Process with USCIS. All EB3 immigration processes require the PERM and I-140 process, and this processing time largely depends on the service center where your petition is filed and handled. The USCIS offers I-140 Premium Expedited Service, which takes processing time down to 15 days to get an answer from USCIS with an additional USCIS fee compared to a lengthy I-140 standard processing time. Step 3. Final step to get green card. EB3 applicant who applied in the USA needs to submit Form I-485 Adjustment of Status to get EAD, travel permit and green card. If your priority date, LC filing date, is current, you can file I-485 to adjust your status to permanent residence, green card. In this process, you can get EAD, work permit, and travel permit while your I-485 process is ongoing. This process's actual processing time depends on the service center processing process. EB3 applicants who applied outside of the USA, the consular process, need to submit Form DS-260 to get a visa interview schedule. File DS-260 and submit all required civil documents to get your visa interview appointment. When the U.S. Embassy in your country calls for a visa interview, you must get your physical, medical exam at the embassy-designated medical clinic. This process's actual processing time depends on the National Visa Center and the U.S. Embassy processing time. Step 4. Come to the USA and start to work with EAD, green card. Upon getting an EAD card or EB3 immigration visa, come to the USA with LPR, lawful permanent resident green card, status, and it is time to start your work with a sponsorship employer. EB3 employment-based immigration process is one of the best ways to gain green cards. Benefits when you work with SeaBreezee. Competitive salary and benefits from sponsor employer. Secure the job offer from verified sponsorship employers. Real-time USCIS status, case checker on our applicant portal. Worry-free EB3 immigration process by U.S. attorneys. ESL, English education, service by Native American. Mock visa interview preparation session with U.S. attorneys or former U.S. visa officers. Settlement assistance starts when you arrive in the USA. For your children who need to attend the U.S. education system, SeaBreezee provides an education program with additional fees. Contact SeaBreezee for more details. Support@seabreezee.com 949-335-9977